Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope you guys are all doing great. Welcome back to our video tutorial series on how to create amazing AI chatbot. In the previous video, we tested our AI chatbot on the web and the results came out excellent. In this video, we're going to be testing our AI bot on Facebook Messenger to see how our bot behaves on Messenger. Now, before I proceed, I want to reiterate something I said in the previous video. If you skip any of the instructions in my previous videos, or if you skip any of my previous videos, it's very likely that when you get to the point where you are testing your AI chatbot, your bot will not work properly. All right. So please make sure that you've watched all my previous videos and followed the instructions to detail. All right. That way, when you're testing your bot, the bot will work well. I have labeled the videos in sequential order. If you're a pro and you know what you're doing, that's cool. But for those of you that are newbies and doing this for the first time, I highly recommend that you watch all my previous videos in that sequential order and follow the instructions to detail, so when you're testing your bot, it will work properly and you will have a really nice cool bot. All right, so let's go ahead and test our bot on Facebook Messenger. Now, whenever I'm testing my bot on Messenger, I do not use the link provided here by Chatbot Builder. Okay, what I'm going to be using is a link provided by Facebook that's connected to my business Facebook page. Now remember, this is the page that is linked to our Chatbot Builder. Okay, so Facebook is going to provide me a special link. All right, and this link will allow me to see exactly what the user or the customer will see when they are right about to engage with my AI bot. Okay, so when they are standing right behind the door, getting ready to click that get started button, we want to see how it looks like. So let's go ahead and grab that link. All right, that link is going to be a link connected to our Facebook page. So I'm on my page right now, and then I'm not switched over yet, although I'm over here on my page. Okay, if you're in a regular private Facebook page, you want to go ahead and click on your business page that is connected to your Chatbot Builder account. Okay, and then you'll notice that Facebook is going to prompt you to switch. Okay, if you're not officially on that page yet, so you want to click switch, and then it will switch you officially to your business page connected to your Chatbot Builder account. Now look up here on the top right hand side, you'll see there's a messenger icon. Go ahead and click on that icon real quick, and then let's look at the icon right at the top here where it says settings. Okay, see that round icon? Go ahead and click on that, and then you should see this page right here, and this is the link we want to grab. Okay, it starts with m.me. There are other places where you can grab this link, but this is where I find, I grab it from. So we want to copy this one, and then we want to open up a new tab. All right, and we want to paste that link right in here. Okay, and then it's going to show us exactly what a user or a customer will see. There we go. So you can see this is what they're going to be looking at. Okay, you see that it has that get started button right here. This is the kind of view that I like. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and begin interaction with our AI bot, and our AI welcome message should fire. There we go. Nice. So let me pretend like I'm interested in car financing. I'm going to go ahead and ask some questions, and then I will proceed to book an appointment. All right, so I'm going to say something like, do you offer car financing, and do you do tradings? Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm asking two questions in one. All right, let's see how our AI bot is going to process this. All right, so you can see right here, it answered the question on financing, and then it also answered the question about trading. All right, now if you are building a bot that is not AI powered, it can be a little difficult to produce the same result, right? You're gonna need nodes with conditions and actions, and sometimes, you might be able to pull it off, but it will be a bit of a hurdle, right? But AI makes it a lot easier, right? You can see that all we got to do is just write the instructions we want in the prompt, and then AI can handle everything from there. Even when the user asks two questions in one, AI can produce and answer both of them. All right, so let me go ahead and ask another question, something like, where are you located? Okay, and then it's gonna produce the address. That's cool. So let me ask them, what are your business hours? Because I'm planning to come over. What are your business hours? All right, now check this out. I deliberately spelled hours wrong. Okay, another thing that AI does is that even though you make a boo-boo, or make a spelling mistake, AI can still sense what your intention is. All right, so I just misspelled hours, added another S, and let's see if AI knows what my intention is. It can tell. There we go. So it knows that I'm looking for business hours. All right, let's just say we want to come over, right? So I'm going to say something like, I want to come see the cars you have at your dealership. Okay, so here I'm showing intention of coming over to the dealership. So let's see how our AI bot will process this. All right, so you can see that the AI bot can sense that you want to come over, so it's trying to urge you to book an appointment. So it's asking for first name. This is the exact instruction we gave it in the master prompt, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and give them my name. I'll just use my real name, Emmanuel. Okay, so I gave him my first name, and then remember in the prompt we said after you get first name we want last name. So I'm gonna go ahead with Casey. All right, that's okay. Okay, so now it's asking for email. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use Kes's websites at gmail.com. All right, and now it needs a phone number, so I'm gonna go ahead and provide a phone number, 321-9113, and then watch what happens over here. This is beautiful. You can see right here that our function that we built took over. All right, so AI worked with the function now pulled that flow we built that allows the user to choose date and time. Okay, so you see how everything is working and talking with each other. This is why it's important to watch all of the previous videos, so when it comes time to testing the bot, you will see how everything communicates with each other to give the user a wonderful user experience. So at this time, I'm going to go ahead and select a date and time. I'm going to choose, let's say, Friday the 29th. I want to come in around 4 p.m. and I'm gonna hit book. And then once we come in here, we can see that our confirmation flow has fired. Remember that automation, remember that confirmation flow that was auto-generated by Chatbot Builder, and then we went ahead and customized it a little bit, right? We added a GIF and stuff like that. Okay, so you can see that confirmation flow right here. All right, and this looks beautiful. Okay, so the last thing we want to look at to make sure that our AI bot work perfectly is that we want to go over to the contact section, right? And want to make sure that the data that we provided our AI bot was captured and saved in the custom field. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh our contacts area section right here, and you can see that's me right there with my name. And I'm going to go ahead and click on my name, and this is what we want to see. Beautiful. Look at this. All right, you can see that the custom field for full name is populated. Okay, how did that happen? Is because we provided the first and the last name. Okay, we could see that the email custom field is populated, custom field for phone is populated. All right, and then the bot already knows my local time. Okay, and then you can see other information over here that are really valuable. Okay, and then you can also see the appointment time right here. So this is looking beautiful. Okay, all the conversations we had have also been moved over to Chatbot Builder, and we can see all the conversations here. All right, later on I'm going to do a video that will show you how to use the features right here in the contact section area right here. There are lots of beautiful things here that you can use inside of your chatbot. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next video. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please do so. There's going to be some more wonderful videos coming out. Now that we've learned how to build AI chatbot, we now have the wisdom and the tools to do many different things. Okay, we can build many cool different chatbots. All right, so remember to subscribe to the channel, so whenever I post a video you will get a notification. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.